Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. I hope you all had a great week and as always an even better weekend planned ahead. A quick little update before we get into this Fan Feature Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to be up at Yoda Mafia's headquarters thing up in Holt, Florida. So if any of you guys are around here, they have like an open house thing going on up there, and then we're going to go off-roading afterwards. And the giveaway winner I do have, that video was supposed to go up earlier this week, but my computer file, when I did the screen recording to get the person, I don't know, it was like corrupt, so it never recorded the screen. So I do have the video of me talking about the screen getting recorded, and we do have that winner. So it's not the video that I wanted it to be, because when you click URL and then you click generate a comment, it picks a random comment, and it was just corrupt on the screen. So I'll announce that winner, and then I'll have that winner email me with the pictures, saying that they're subscribed to me and Taco Twans. So let's get into this week's Fan Feature Friday, and it's a freaking good one. All right, guys, so for this Fan Feature Friday, we have Luis from Boca Raton, Florida, and his 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro in that very bright but awesome Voodoo blue, and it's supercharged. Whoa. All right, so some of the mods he has, guys, and it is a long list. He just got this thing back from the shop. He put so much into it, and he even notes in here, and he's like, damn, after reading all that, no wonder I've been eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So some of the current modifications he has is from day one, he put a Python alarm system in the vehicle with remote start, window tint, full LED bulb swap on the whole vehicle, WeatherTech floor mats, Canvas Cargo Back Liner, which, God, it's one of the best investments you guys can do for the back of your rig. The Supercharger, he said it took a little bit to get from Magnuson, but then it was also dealer installed. Frontrunner Slimline 2 full-size roof rack. SPod Management System with a wireless controller. Plans on towing with this thing, so he has a brake controller, Anderson plug for the trailer, and he also has airbags in between the rear springs for the 4Runner as well. He has a dual battery setup with breakers, a switch panel in the back for the rear fridge with the USB charging and 110 converter. Suspension, he has the Icon Stage 6 setup going on, kind of like a 6.5 he says, because he has adjustments in the rear as well, and it raised it up about 3 inches or so. His tires are BFG KM3s, and they're 315s, guys, 70/17s. They look meaty and fat, man. They look super, super good. And he has those wrapped around some black Rhino wheels, 17 by 9.5 -12 offset. Up top in front of that Frontrunner roof rack, I freaking love this. It's so old school. It looks so sweet. He has KC Highlights 50-inch light bar, guys, with the covers on them, and man, it looks so good. And out back in the rear, he has a C4 rear bumper with dual swing outs. Some of his future mods he wants is to definitely re-gear this thing. The Supercharger can help as much as it can, but if those rear gears are not meant for 315s, which they are not, then he needs the rear gear. So that's one of his future modifications to come. An ARB front air locker, Valera air compressor with the tank combo, CBI front bumper with 10K pound Warn winch, and an amber light bar up there as well, a ham radio, and a CB radio. Whew! That's a lot. Like, it got me sweating in this garage, guys. So, Luis, thank you very, very much for sending in your 4Runner. I very, very much hope so. We can meet up on your road trip in the future, so I can definitely review this thing. If I am out of your way, I'll try to meet you somewhere, but if it don't line up, it don't line up. But thank you so much for finally sending it in for Fan Feature Friday. Guys, thank you so much for watching this Fan Feature Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later.